Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Enable Install Unknown Apps for your installer or toggle unknown sources on older Android. Next, inspect the APK file itself, check size and version code, and match CPU ABI, ARM versus ARM64. Free at least 100 MB of storage and verify your device Android version meets the app's Min SDK version. Once done, use a file manager to start installation. Grant requested permissions when prompted, so the package installer can proceed without interruption. Now you handle the complex steps. If sideloading fails, connect via ADB and run a db install r/path/to/app. App to replace an existing app, this avoids signature mismatches. If the device reports a signature conflict, uninstall any older version first, because signing keys must match. Also inspect package name collisions and clear the package installer app cache in settings to remove stale data. Make sure you reboot after changes, so the package manager rebuilds its state before retrying installation. To finish, install the corrected APK or use Split Apps/Bundle tool for apps with dynamic features. This ensures all required splits, resources, and native libraries are present. If installation succeeds, test the app immediately. If not, capture a dblogcat while attempting install and look for install failed * error codes. They tell you the exact cause. One key troubleshooting tip: when encountering signature or native ABI errors, rebuild the package with matching keys and include proper native libraries. Then retry installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.